Hey guys, it's Alex with TKC, back again with another unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Akko 5087 QMK, an 87 key keyboard with loads of features. Let's get this open and see what all comes with the Akko 5087 QMK. So in the box we get the Akko 5087 QMK, a keycap puller, switch puller, quick start manual, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and 5 extra Gateron pink switches. Now onto some of the specs of the Akko 5087 QMK. It is a polycarbonate 87 key TKL layout, meaning you get your F row and your number row, plus you get navigation keys above your arrow keys. It comes with Gateron pink switches, which are lubed from the factory. It is a gasket-mounted keyboard for a soft and forgiving typing experience. It has a hot swap PCB that accepts both 3 and 5 pin switches, so you can easily switch out your switches if you wanted to try something new. The PCB also has south-facing LEDs. The height of the Akko 5087 QMK is adjustable with 3 different height angles, and this board is QMK and VIA compatible, meaning it is easier than ever to reprogram your switches. The Akko 5087 QMK will be available on Amazon as well as TKC's website. Now let's go ahead and do a typing test to see how these Gateron pink switches sound.